If you want to enable live photos on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how. First open Settings app and scroll down a bit and open Camera. Now scroll down a bit, then you can see this option Preserve Settings. Now scroll down to very end. Now here you can see this option Live Photo. If this option were turned on, you need to toggle this off first. Now minimize this and open Camera app and switch to Photo. Then click these 6 dotted lines and here you can see Live. Touch that. Okay, you can see the yellow. It says Live Photo were turned on. After this, just take a snap photo. So here you can see Live Photo was on. Now if I minimize and close and open the Camera app and take a photo, the live photo was still there. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.